Hi again, folks. Next song I'm going to do is a truncated version of the ballad, the Battle of Otterburn, or Chevy Chase as it is sometimes known. Here goes. It fell about the Lammas Tide when the muirmen won their hay, that doughty Douglas vowed to ride in England for his prey. He chose the Gordons and the Grahams, the Lindsays light and gay, but the Jardins would not wi' him ride, and they rue it to this day. And he has burned all the dales o' Tyne and part of Bambrashire, 3 tall towers in reeds where fell, he's left them a' on fire. He's marched up to Newcastle and he's raided round about, saying war's the lord of this castle and war's the lady o'. And up and spake proud Percy there, and but he spake high, I am the lord of this castle and my wife's a lady gay. You are the lord of this castle, so will it be, said he, for ere I cross these border fells, as ye know us shall be. He's ta'en a lang spear in his hand, shod with a metal free. A what to meet the Douglas there, he rade right furiously. And know how pale his lady looked free off the castle wall, as down before the Scottish spear she saw proud Percy fall. It fell about the Lammas time when the muirmen win their hay, the doughty Douglas vowed to ride in England for his prey. He chose the Gordons and the Grahams, the Lindsays light and gay, but the Jardins would not wi' him ride, and they rue it to this day. Thanks, folks. Cheers, Charlie.